Hello everyone, this is Pavitra, Assistant Professor, Department of EC, Electronic and Communication Engineering, SMS College of Engineering. Today's video we are going to see about the program of multiplication 8086 and then the instruction set of 8085. In the last video we have discussed the program of logical operation 8086 and then addition, subtraction. Now we are going to see about the multiplication, right? So in the multiplication, first of all, as in each and every program we have given the data. In the first program we have given directly the address. In the second program we have given directly the data. Now we are going to give the data the address. Okay. If they mention in 0, 1, 0, 2001, 1001, if they mention like this, you have that is the address. Okay. If they mention directly the value, it is called as a data, right? So first of all, the first value. This is the first value. I am going to store the first value in A3010, that is move to the AX, that is move AX, 03010. Then next one is the second value, that is moving to the VX. The VX have some value, whatever the value you can take it, like 2 into 2, the first value is 2 and the second value is 2. What will happen? So in the AX it have a 2 value, in the VX it have a 2 value, right? So next is the MUL is nothing but multiplication of AX, BX. The AX have a 2 and the BX have a 2. So what is the value of 2 into 2? It will be a 4. The 4 will be stored in the AX, right? So what will happen? The AX value is moving over to the 3014 because this is one address, this is another address, this is the output address, we can see it, right? Then you can skip this skip the thing because the DX is nothing but a register. Okay, the output can be stored in the register also. The register here it will be have a 4 value that will be moving to the AX, and finally what will happen? This value will come here, that is a 04. Again it will move to the another address. It is called halt. Okay, so one more time. If you have a 02 means it will take it as a, again we have to, it will have the loop and we will go for the same instructions. Okay, finally we will end with the halt. Okay, so the next thing, before starting itself I have to tell you the instruction set of 8085. 8085 is one of the microprocessor, basic microprocessor that was we have learned in our syllabus. So first of all, the instruction is nothing but we are giving the data, we are giving the command to the microprocessor, that is called instruction, right? So the instruction have 5 types. One is a data transfer instruction, second one is arithmetic instruction, third one is a logical instruction, fourth one is branching instruction, and fifth one is called control instruction. The data instruction is nothing but what are the transferring the data, store, move, load. These are all the data transfer instruction. Arithmetic arithmetic you know very well. Arithmetic is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, increment, decrement. These are all logical arithmetic instruction. Then the third one is a logical instruction, that also you know very well, and or not. These are all called the logical instruction. And fourth one is called branching. Branching is nothing but the jump, no jump, jump the value, no jump, shift right, turn right, rotate right. These are all the branching instruction. Control instruction is nothing but if I give you command to the microprocessor, it does not change any operation. So that is called as a control operation. We will see one by one. The data transfer instruction. Already I said data transfer is nothing but transferring the data, right? So the first command is called MOV. MOV we have already discussed in the program. MOV is nothing but the move. Okay, and then MVI is nothing but move the instruction, that is MVI. Then LDA is nothing but load a data. Okay, load LDA load. Then load X means you have to load the 16-bit data, that is a load. Okay, then LX means load instruction. Load is 16-bit data with the instructions, or you can say the load the data instruction immediately. Okay, STA is nothing but store. STAX is nothing but store the 16-bit value, and exchange is nothing but exchanging or swapping. So that these are called as the data transfer instruction. Then next we are going for the arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation only we have learned the operations and all. First of all it is add. Simply add. ADD if you give means it will add the two values, right? Then ADC. ADC is nothing but add with carries. these are all the branching instructions, jump, looping and all. Okay, then control already I said HLD is nothing but halt the program, NOP is nothing but no operation, DI is nothing but disable to the instruction. So these are all the instruction sets of 8085. I hope you like this video.